Alright, so let's just see if that worked. As you can see, it's filed down a bit. Oh yeah, better clearance now. Could be a bit better though, couldn't it? Could just kind of file it down a smidge more. Whoops, and I've cut my fingy. That's why you need gloves, see? I've got the safety gloves, but now I'll be right. Let's file it down a tad more. So I filed the top bit a bit as well. Definitely done, kind of went ham on the bottom bit. Because that was the main problem anyway. But yeah, now no longer a problem. Look at that. Got the clearance, mate. Got the clearance needed. That's perfect now. See? That wasn't a waste of time. That's fucking excellent. Fuck yeah. Let's do it. Yeah, so look at that. Look at that. That's perfect now. Up and down and then all the way up as well. That's what you want, see? There you go. Fucking exelente.